Hello everyone. Welcome back. If you're not new, but if you are, hey, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a sweets video, a faux sweets video using Dollar Tree products. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is make some marshmallows. Some cute, adorable little marshmallows. I made these last year and I had these left over in my stash, so I thought I would show you all how I did these. I love these as embellishments on the hot cocoa bar. They are just the little foam dice that you can find at Dollar Tree. And pro tip, buy them now, because last year I got two or three packs, and then it was closer to Christmas time, and it was sometime in November, and then I really wanted to go back for more, and they were just gone. But all year they've had a ton of these, so just a disclaimer, grab them. So a lot of this stuff you really want to grab like sooner rather than later, because people are going to start crafting for their Christmas stuff. I've been crafting since August, okay? I have so many things that I want to make that I actually had to start in August. It's the earliest I've ever started making Christmas crafts. So I'm just going to take this paper and lay it down just to give my silicone man a little bit of protection. So these are just they come in different colors. They're just plain old foam dice. Ooh, snake eyes. All I'm gonna do to start off with these is simply paint them white. So I have some Apple Barrel Snow White paint. This is matte. You can use gloss if you prefer, but I like the matte because marshmallows are usually matte, so I go with that. And once we have that white base, it probably takes 2 or 3 coats. I don't remember, I did do this last year, but 2 or 3 coats to make sure everything is completely covered. And then we're going to add like a chocolate drizzle on top, and I will show you how I do that. My 2 cubes right here all painted up. Now the tops don't look that great, but we're going to cover that with chocolate drizzle, and the bottoms don't look that great either, but I plan on leaving these for display on my hot cocoa bar. But if you plan on using these as ornaments, then I would suggest painting the bottoms, but you won't see the bottoms of mine. Cute.
It's baby.
Do me a favor, could you close my door, babe?
Oh yeah, sure, love you.
Thanks, I love you too. So these are done and painted. The tops and bottoms do look a mess, but you're not gonna see the top or the bottom. One, because I'm putting chocolate drizzle on both of these, and these will be sitting on my hot cocoa bar, my tier tray and stuff like that, so I'm not really worried. I'm not worried about that at all. But if you plan on turning these into ornaments, then I would suggest making sure that the bottoms are fully done so you won't see them. Okay, now originally I had done these before using Mod Podge, and I just took a little bit of gloss Mod Podge and then mixed in some brown paint. But this time I am going to show you a different method. I will try to remember to leave a link down in the description box of my other video from last year and how I did these. This is just a different method. I have some brown puffy paint this time around. It would be best to get your puffy paint from Walmart if you can, and I say that just because with the 25% increase at Dollar Tree, this costs less than this one. This is the brand that they have at Dollar Tree, and this is $1.25, and for the exact same size, this is $1.19 at Walmart. So excuse my phone, it's my mommy. Hi, mommy. So yeah, this one is at Walmart, this one is at Dollar Tree. This one costs more than the one at Walmart, but if that's all you can find at the time, then by all means do what you got to do. I did end up getting this one because my Walmart didn't have any green when I was there, and I really needed green at the time, so I spent the extra few cents and just got this one. But if you have a choice, it's cheaper to get your puffy paints from Walmart. So before I get to the chocolate drizzle part. And if you're interested, this puffy paint just simply says brown. So yeah. But before I get to the drips part, I want to do my faces. Now I cut these little faces and these little embellishments, little cheeks and stuff out with my Cricut. Obviously, you don't have to do that. There, you could find some stickers somewhere. You could check Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, stuff like that. Or you could simply just draw these on. I do enough drawing drawing of my gingerbread faces that I could probably just draw these, but I prefer the little stickers. So I just decided to cut these out with some vinyl. I think what I'm gonna do is one's gonna have regular cheeks and one's gonna have little, should I do heart eyes or heart cheeks? I don't know yet, but we'll just rock with these. Huh, that's so cute. Do some cheeks, little oval cheeks. And the hearts are a little big to be cheeks, but it'll probably be better as eyes. But we'll make them into cheeks. I know I did one with heart eyes last year, but look at that, it's still so cute. I actually like the heart cheeks. Okay. So now that that is done, we are going to turn these over and do some drips. I wanna start with the outline and then go in here. Oh, it looks like chocolate. And what I'm doing is giving it a little squeeze and then just kind of pushing it around using the nozzle. So the top is covered, so now I'm just gonna go in to the border again and make it a little more drippy. We'll refine these drips as we go. There we go. Refine the drips. Y'all know what I mean. Just making them more drippy. I do kind of start tracing like this and then just kind of going back and filling them in. And the back, again, is not a huge deal for me. Just the front and the sides, because that's what you'll see. I'll see the point in wasting energy on a spot that you're not gonna see. But to each their own. Some people like a totally finished back. There we go. And you'll also let gravity help you along by just simply letting it dry on its bottom. But if the drips are getting too low for you, then you are gonna want to set it upside down a little. But the thing is though, you just want to be careful not to mess up the top, because the top you can see. But as long as you're just not too heavy-handed, the drip shouldn't get too crazy. That's looking like that. Yes.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, thank you.
And now I can use this to write down university.
You can write whatever you want in that. Yes, baby girl.
Yeah, I can write whatever I want. I'm gonna get this.
And they're done. These are so easy to do. You could set them on your hot cocoa bar or add little hooks and put them on your Christmas tree if you wanted to. The possibilities for these are endless. Let me know what y'all thought about these. Do you have a hot cocoa bar in your house during the holidays or a coffee bar? Let me know down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.